Hi all, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to do a quick repair on my refrigerator. This is the water dispenser and ice dispenser on the front of the refrigerator, and we noticed it was leaking from here, and my husband figured out that the vents right here, you can see that, had been blocked by some plastic bags. And so it was causing the ice to melt and run down in this area here. And so it corroded and took off some of the enamel on the refrigerator. So I am going to use some of this porcelain chip fix, and you have to apply it to a clean, dry surface. So I took a melamine sponge and I scraped off as much of the loose stuff as I could and dried it off, and now I am going to apply that chip fix to this area, and it's supposed to dry 10 minutes, and then when I'm done I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've applied it right here. I don't know if you can see, the lighting in this corner of my kitchen is not that good. So I've applied one coat. I think I'm going to have to apply at least one more or two more coats to that area. But it's a pretty good match, and hopefully it will last. So I will show you when it's all done with all the coats. So while I'm working on the refrigerator, I'm going to go ahead and change the filter. When my filter needs to be changed, this water spout right here starts to leak. And let me see if I can show you how that works. Oops. See how it's leaking out the sides there? So I'm not sure why it does that, but and then it causes this mineral buildup on the outside. So I'm going to take care of that as well. Here's where my filter is located in my refrigerator. And we try to change them every 6 months. And the way we tell is we write the date up here. You can see this one's actually overdue. It should have been changed in February. So that's probably the reason it is leaking the way it is. So you may be wondering what this is. Well, I've opened up the water dispenser on my refrigerator, and this is the spout that the water comes out of, and I noticed that there's a lot of buildup on here. So I actually cut off the corner of a plastic bag, and I didn't have any rubber bands or twist ties, so I had to tape up the plastic bag onto here, and it has vinegar in it, and it's really hard to see, but there's a lot of buildup around the edge here. So I'm soaking it in vinegar. Hopefully that will help that come off. And I think that's part of the reason why the water was spraying out the way it was. So it's been soaking now for about half an hour, and I'm going to see if I can get some of that off. So I finished doing everything, and now I'm going to see how it works. And the water is coming out of the spout. It's not running down the sides anymore. So I think we're good to go. So here is the finished product. I don't know if you can tell there, but this is where I put the porcelain fix-it. And then I did the same thing over on this side because there was a little bit of rust and missing paint over here. So it's a little rough, but from far away you can't really see, and it's a lot better than rusty metal. That's it for today. It's Fix It Friday. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the button down below and also hitting the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.